Hello, today I'm going to show you how to bring back the home button on your Apple iPhone X. The Apple iPhone X has no home button on screen. It has only one internal screen on all of the surface and the front side. But there is a feature to get back the home button again. If you like the home button, go to settings. Then you can the Apple ID, iTunes, iCloud, etc. And then go to general setting. After this, we are going to restrictions. No, accessibilities. This is our thing. Then you can switch to AssistiveTouch. There it is. AssistiveTouch under accessibilities. Let's go to AssistiveTouch. Now you can use the AssistiveTouch. Allows you to use your Apple iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. So let's do this, because this in a shortcut is the home button. Switch. There's a home button, but why is the home button in the right edge? We can bring it back to the center. There's a home button. Oh, hello home button again. Modern style. Good luck. It has multi-touch. That means if you press a little dip, it has a short menu. And if you push harder, it comes with a right home button feeling. Let's try this. There's the app open and you can see the home button is already there. Now push a bit more and you can go back to the home screen. Nice. Let's do another app. Okay, push again, go back. Push this short menu, it's home button feeling too. If you push 2 times, you can use it to sort your apps or delete them. Or kill them, not delete. So now, if you have enough of this tiny little home button, you can switch it to off again, if you like. So there it is. Now go to settings and AssistiveTouch, switch off. The home button is gone. Sorry, home button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give a positive feedback. And see you next time again. Soon.